Listen.
A package from Amazon just arrived. Let's open it. Okay. Here we go. Oh, this already looks incredible. This is the Casio AE1200, also known as the legendary Casio Royale. And honestly, this thing looks straight out of a spy movie. But here's the crazy part. This is the watch that I could wear even during an apocalypse. And here are 5 reasons why. Number 1, battery life. This watch can last up to 10 years on a single battery. I might not survive even one day in an apocalypse, but this watch will keep ticking even after I become a fossil. Number 2, world time. It supports 31 time zones and 48 cities. So even if I somehow escape to another country during a zombie outbreak, I'll still know the correct time. Even on the coast of the Bahamas. Number 3, ruggedness. This thing is basically a budget G-Shock. It has 100-meter water resistance, and it can survive rain, mud, impacts, rough usage, basically anything. And because it's a Casio, you already know it's built like a tank. Number 4, utility. The amber backlight on this watch is insanely useful. You can check the time even in complete darkness. So if you're hiding somewhere during the apocalypse, this watch still has your back. And finally, the price. This legendary watch costs around $4,000. And if you lose it while running away from zombies, neither your heart nor your wallet will break. Simple. Legendary. Almost indestructible. And honestly, one of the coolest watches you can buy right now. Would you wear this during an apocalypse?